watching Icarus fly. Just standing watching Icarus fly. Float above the sea. Watching Icarus fly. Just standing watching Icarus fly. Soaring towards the sun, watching Icarus fly. Just standing watching Icarus fly. Floating into the heavens, watching Icarus fly. Just real watching Icarus fly.
Vagabond Maurice, more like a Buddha Stava. Emperor, a dragon who dwells in Guardian palms. Dragon of the Midwest, spitting that Uncle I wrote. Now I wrote wisdom like sage, wrote on the blunt raps. I rap scrolls and burn sage, they cleanse minds. I move minds while studying like a maze. Dismantle Dianetics and aesthetics of the world. Find myself a Mr. Universe, tight rubbing on galaxies. Alchemist in the labyrinth, the cold in the maze, trapped in the haze, the purple rain, the shogun in the rain, the burning dawn to the days, the shown stuck in the jump. Who bump diggable planets, I outline spirits right here in my ancestors and pyramids. Do prisms on current ring, unbreakable threads of faith roll around the universe. Found my soul on Pluto, buildings on the jewel till my thoughts remain clear as light.
Night, thieves get out the dark, chase the moon, shine like Icarus riding towards the ley line, toward the ley line, toward the ley line, toward the ley line. Light me in the day, thieves get up my shadow, chase the sun, riding like Icarus riding towards the ley line, toward the ley line, toward the ley line, toward the ley line. I be at the labyrinth, watching Icarus fly.